Hello everyone, welcome to this demo video for Redrob AI. Uh, so this is our project which we have created. So you can see all the documentation. The first thing that we have focused on is pre-computation, where we have used online GPU like from Google Colab to do all the heavy computation tasks like creating all the FAS index and the metadata for the candidates, and we have stored it as a file so that we can use it in a rank Python file to calculate and show the submission.csv file all the data. So this is our project. You can run it in two ways. The first way is we first need to like set up the project. If you want to test it, you need to have Python 3.10 plus, and you need to set up like this. Then in the source folder, you need to run this command. And when you run this command, you need to make sure that you are in the correct Python environment, like you have all the packages that are mentioned in the requirements file, and just run this command and it will run. Meanwhile, we have also deployed this on Hugging Face. So we have this space. So what you can do is you can just let's upload your file. So let's say my file is over here. So if I want to go ahead with a sample JSON file, and by sample JSON file, this has data uh, which is more or less than equals to 100. So we can just click on the ranker engine to run this, and it will perform certain operations. This is based on Streamlit. We are not using radio, we are using Streamlit, and it will call the rank file in the backend, and it will show the data and the output. So over here it is also running the same. It will first load the weights, and then we are using the LLM, which is Quen, a very small let's say a small parameter model, because since we need to run this in a environment which has quite the number of limitations or constraints, so we are using this kind of environment Quen 1.5 and 0.5 billion parameter model. So if we just check it, it has more or less given this, and hopefully it will complete it. When it will complete it, it will show the submission file, in the submission CSV file in the same directory as the rank.py file, and over here it will show it in a GUI format. So let's see. And finally it has shown over here. You can see over here we have the candidate ID, the rank, the score, and the reasoning. So over here we have all this, and you can search it, all the things you can do over here. So we have from 0, it is starting from 0 and it's going till 99. So it has all the top 100 over here in this list. And so yeah, so this is for our Hugging Face model. You can also download this, and it will download the CSV file from here. The same goes for this as well. It is taking some time because I'm recording this as well as running this, so it's taking some time. But yeah, that's what our project is. It will take the same amount of time, only if like other things are not running. But since we are doing it, so we should give it some time for it to run, and hopefully it will show like what we have seen in our Hugging Face spaces. So I can just check if it has completed or not. It is over here, and src, and yeah, this is what our file is. So this is a submission file. So this is what our CSV file looks like, and this is a very different data set uh, from the previous one which you have seen, but still the things are more or less same. uh, we have this first row dedicated for the headings. We're starting from the second row, and we have only the first 100 rankings over here, and so you can see it ends at 101. So yeah, that's what our project is, and thank you.